Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. And people, it is time to get back on the Monday grind. I hope you're ready because the week begins now. All right, you all, we got an awesome looking watch face by Friss in motion, and you know this is this guy's forte. He gets down on some animated watch faces. This one here is no exception. The name of it is called Health Interface. I like the look, I like the design, the whole layout is off the charts. Now in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. You're just not going to get the animation. But when the watch face is on, if you look at the top, you're going to get calories burned. You're also going to get your date, nice digital time that's legible, and you get a little person right here that's being animated around. Now, if you don't want that, you're worried about your battery being depleted, then you could turn it off. Me, if I'm out on the run and I'm exercising, this would be a nice thing to have on your wrist. I thought it was a good look. Now, if you come down, you will get the day of the week. You will get your heart rate info, and it looks like it's got an animated heart right there as well. You come down, you will get the step status info. You'll get your battery percentage. Floors climbed over here, and it pretty much gives you everything, and it is inactive, so I can tap right here on the steps where the 00 is, and I can go into that. Also, if I want my battery percentage, I can go deep off into that one as well. Floors climbed, get my step status info, calories burned, and right here I can also get my glass of water intake. Now, I thought this was a good look. I thought Friss in Motion did a real good job on this one, and I'm going to give him 2 thumbs up in the door. Now, with that being said, people, we got a giveaway going on for this one. So if you want a free watch face, I got a couple of them for the US. I see if he has any to give away for other countries. So stay tuned for that. And with that, if you like the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.